This is a presentation about vocabulary activities in a multi-level class. We'll be talking about two kinds of activities, one suitable for the teacher leading the whole class, and the other for students, pairs, or groups working independently. For the first, I'll be using an example that is based on one of the cards from American English at State's Picture This collection, with images and 6 words related to feelings. The teacher may start by introducing the whole class to the words. Then it's time to check comprehension and to practice. To give students at different levels practice, the teacher puts the images for the vocabulary on the board, labeled by letter. The teacher says the words one at a time. Upper level students have to write the letter and the word. The lower level students who may be slower at writing can still show they know the meaning of the word by writing the letter. For example, number 1, angry. Students write either the letter D or the letter D and the word angry. Number 2, tired. Number 3, confused, and so on. Use the same lettered pictures for a second round. This time, give the words in the context of a sentence. For example, number 1, tired. I was tired after studying for 3 hours. Number 2, angry. I broke the window, but please don't be angry. Again, the two different groups have different tasks. Higher level students writing the sentence and lower level students writing just the word. Perhaps these ideas will inspire you to think of other activities where lower and higher level students can give different responses, even though they're listening to the same thing. While studying the same unit in a textbook, students at different levels can be given different vocabulary lists to learn. If you're not sure of student levels, give them a full list and ask them to choose 5 to 8 words they don't know. If you want students of various levels to work together in pairs or small groups to review vocabulary, the words from the list can be put on color-coded cards. Each group gets a set of mixed color cards. The cards are placed face down. Students take turns, choose a yellow or blue card depending on their level, and then do the review task. The task might be naming the picture, car or hood, or it might be looking at a vocabulary word like budget at a lower level and revenue at a higher level, and then translating the word or using it in a sentence. Taking turns with cards makes this review activity more like a game. By the way, to make the cards, why not have students help with writing or copying? And if you don't have colored paper, color code the cards with a marker. I hope these examples have shown you how to adjust vocabulary practice for different levels in the class. We can give students different material to begin with, such as easier or more difficult words, and we can also adjust what they do with the words during the practice and review stages.